Eel, what did you think of that?
I thought it was very interesting. I loved the hang at the beginning on the first drop.
Yeah.
And then it was interesting how the air time would keep you in the air, and then halfway down you would feel the car actually hit the track again. So it was like a thump.
Do you want to ride it again?
Yes.
We're going to ride it. Yeah, like it was doing, this is not for you, this is for other people, but it feels very like Magnum-y in that it like throws you and then does the float. So that was cool, but we're gonna ride in a little bit further back of the row so that we can get like more of a seamless air.